still sound. From the hills to the open sea, truth and love set the children free. Through the storm and the darkest night, Jah guide the way with the holy light. Light over Zion, shining so bright. Love will guide us through the longest night. Hold on, brother, don't you fall. Jah love standing tall for all. Hear the drums in a heartbeat rhythm. Sons of justice the elders given. Every tear that the people cry turn to rivers where the truth resides. Stand up strong, let your spirit sing. Freedom is the gift that tomorrow brings. Light over Zion, shining so bright. Love will guide us through the longest night. Hold on, sister, hear the call. Jah love rising over all. No more chains, no more fear. The voice of the people ringing clear. Hand in hand we rise again. One love flowing among all men. Find a light over Zion, blazing night. Faith like fire in the people's cry. From the valley to the longing wall, Jah love shining over all. Children dancing in the morning sun, another battle for justice won. Hear the voices in unity sing, peace and freedom the message we bring. From the ghettos to the countryside, hope and courage walk side by side. No more living in the shadow of fear. The sound of redemption drawing near. Raise your hands to the sky above. Feel the power of Jah love. Every heartbeat, every soul, moving together toward one goal. So let the music play tonight. Songs of truth and songs of right. Across the world the message calls. One love rising over all. Light over Zion, shining so bright. Love will guide us through the longest night. Hold on, sister, hear the call. Jah love rising over all. Hear the voices in unity sing, peace and freedom the message we bring. From the ghettos to the countryside, hope and courage walk side by side. So let the music play tonight. Songs of truth and songs of right. Across the world the message call. Jah love hear the call. Jah love rising over all. No more chains, no more fear. The voice of the people ringing clear. Hand in hand we rise again. One love flowing among all men. Live a light over Zion, blazing high. Faith like fire in the people's cry. From the valley to the mountain fall, Jah love shining over all.